Good morning, everybody. This is Jenny Rosa, your teacher. I'm going to teach you French. So let's get started with the alphabets. Obviously, we're going to start with the alphabet. So, as English, we have 26 letters, 6 vowels, and 20 consonants. We have the same letters as English, but the pronunciation is different. So let's get started. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, I forget the U, V, W, it means double V, X, Y, Z. So these are the French letters and their pronunciation. So as you can see, we have 6 vowels, les voyelles, vowels, A, E, I, O, U, Y. As for Y, it's like double I. We're going to see this later. Les consonnes, consonants, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Z. So if we combine the consonants with the vowels, we have syllables. And the sound is slightly different with some letters. Like, for example, the C. Alors, la lettre C, it has 2 sounds. K sound and S sound. For example, C and A, it has the sound like K. C and A, K. Camera, for example. Camera. You see here we have what we call in French accents. We're going to see this later. C, O, co. Comme. C, U, Q. Cumin. C, E, ce. Certain. C, I, si. Cinéma. C, Y, si. Cycliste. So you see, here the C have 2 sounds, K and S. Okay? The G also have 2 sounds, G and J. The J sound and the G sound. So, for example, G and A, G et A, Ga. Garage. G, O, go. Gomme. G, U, gu. Gu. Ambigu. G, E, je. J'aime. G, I, J. Girafe. G, Y, J. Gymnase. So I think it's enough for a beginning. We can also talk about the S. Well, before the S we have the H. H in French is never pronounced, whether it's in the beginning, in the middle, or the end of a word, it's never pronounced. Le H en français, il est toujours muet. The S, sometimes it's pronounced S, and some other times, some other cases, it's pronounced like Z sound. Z. So, at the beginning, it's always pronounced S. For example, situation. Okay, T-I-O-N is pronounced like sion, sion, and not tion. This is another thing. Si, bon, on va prendre un autre exemple. Let's take another example. Situé, situated, situé, situé. So at the beginning, always we pronounce S, S. We have some cases where the S is in the middle and it's pronounced like Z. For example, okay, for example, as. So, why I do pronounce this S as Z? Because it's between two vowels. So one S between two vowels, it's always pronounced Z. So, S, the beginning of the word, it's always pronounced S. Situé, situation, simultané. But in the middle, if the S is between two vowels and it's one S, so you have to pronounce it like Z. For example, here, Asie, Asie. If you have S between two vowels and it's doubled, in that case you pronounce it S. Assiette, assiette.